Right, this is the mock paper for your revision and understanding. Right, question 1. In which of the following numbers does the digit 8 stand for 800? Digit 8 has a value of 800. Okay, number 2 is the answer because 8 falls in the 100 place. This is 1000. This here is the ones place, and this is the tens. Next, which of the following is a factor of both 16 and 60? So 16 to 60, what is the common factor? Asking for common. 4 is the common factor. Right? Now, all you have to do is to list 1 times 16, 2 times 18, 4 times 4. Then you go all the way up here and down this way. For 60, of course, you have more factors. Now the common is 4 and 4. Next, which of the following is not an equivalent to 1/4? It means out of all these fractions here, when you simplify them, okay, the answer is not 1/4. 2/8, you can divide 2 by 2 is 1/4. This is 1/4. And 6/24 divided by 6 is 1/4. 1/3 is not equivalent, right, to 1/4. Now find the value of 4/6 subtracting 1/3, right, or 4 out of 6 minus 1 out of 3. First, change the denominator 3 to 6. So you times 2 gives you 2/6. Now you deal with the denominator 6 for each of them. 4/6 minus 2 out of 6, you have 2 out of 6, right? Then reduce simplest term, you get 1/3. Answer 2. Now this, it means over 100, there are 2 zeros here. It means your answer must be of 2 decimal places. Okay, so it cannot be this, right? This is 3 decimal places, right? So it's either 3 or 4. Now look at it, how you do it, right? First you put 32, then 2 decimal places, you go 1, 2, right? Put a dot and 0. It's 32. It's not this thing. It's not 302. 3.02 means it's 32/100. It's totally different from 32/100. Okay, so answer is 3. Let's move on. Right, so which angle is greater than a right angle? Take a look. Straight away, use your ruler, okay, and put at the side of this, and you'll find out that this is acute. This obtuse is greater, right? Answer is 4. Next, now you're going to find how long was the concert. How long the concert was, you're looking for duration. Okay, duration, starting, very important. Let me get to another ink. Right, starting, very important. What you need to do is write the starting time, ending time. Then from the starting time, check out which is the next o'clock. So 11 AM is the next o'clock, and 12 PM is the o'clock before. Okay, before 12:10. Now this is important because straight away you can find 10 minutes, right, between 12 and over here, right, between 12 and 12:10. So between the time, between the duration, right, between the 10, 15 and 11 is 45 minutes. Right, all you have to do, find duration. It means you add this 3 times up together. 1 hour 45 plus 10 is 55. Answer is 2. Number 8, line of symmetry, 2 lines of symmetry. Number 9, sums of the values of digit 3. Okay, right, it means the value of this 300 and this is 3000, add them together, it gives you 3. 10. When a number is divided by 8, when a number, something you do not know, you need to find out, is divided by 8. So the answer is 4036. Right, 4036 is the number of groups of 8. Okay, remainder 5 over here. Remainder 5 over here means I cannot get the last group to be grouped into 8. There's 5 more left. Right, so what you need to do is take 4036 times 8 back, which gives you here. Then you add back the remainder, you should get the original number. Right, practice this. In the figure below, ABCD is a square. Find, okay, n. Find n. Alright, take a look. ABCD is square. Now, if this is square, it means all sides, right, are 90 degrees. So ADC, the angle ADC, okay, D is the angle in question, is 90 degrees. Now, when I draw a line across diagonally, I'm actually dividing the square into 2 equal parts. Why? Because all sides are equal. Right, so diagonally cut equal, I'm cutting the 90 degrees into 2. Therefore, this angle X here is 45 degrees. It is half of the square's degree. Okay, half of ADC, angle ADC. So how do I find? Okay, let me clear this off first. Take a look. Now, all I need to do, okay, is to continue here. I will take 90 degrees, which is this whole thing, 90 degrees. Take away X, which is 45 degrees. Takes away 29. I should be able to find angle N. Alright, in this case, it is 16 degrees. Or the other way I can do it, right, since I've learned something that here, right over here, this is 45 degrees. If X is 45, the other side, half of 90 degrees must be 45 degrees too. So all you have to do, 45 degrees takes 29 away, you will get N. Next, 12. How many 8s are there? Alright, in a 2 whole and 3/4. First, very importantly, change it into improper fraction. Alright, when you change into proper fraction, right, the step, of course, you know, 2, right, times this 4 here. So you have 8 plus 3, right? Leave the denominator there. So 8 plus 3, we have 11 over 4. But we are supposed to find how many 8s. It means this over here. How many 8s, right? So 4 we know can change, times 2, change to denominator 8. The top 11 must times 2. So it has changed to 22. So there are 22 8s over here, right? There are 22 8s in this mixed number 2 whole and 3 over 4. Mrs. Ang used half kilogram of flour to make cream puff. Mrs. Tang used 4 over 5 kilograms more. Here, Mrs. Ang is here, right? And Mrs. Tang has 4 over 5 kilogram. 4 out of 5 of a kilogram more. Find Mrs. Tang. So this is the one. Find the question mark here. All you have to do, take a look at the magic line down. Down here, this is half kilogram too. Okay, so we have half kilogram over here. You add on to 4 over 5 kilogram. Alright, then we have, of course, we have two different denominator. Change them to 10. This side we will get 5 over 10, and the other side here we will get 8 over 10. When we add them up together, it will be 13 over 10. Convert it back. One of the answers here is 1 3 over 10. Convert it back to mixed number. We get the answer 4. Okay, next question. The length of a string was 7 meters. John cut the string equally into 6 pieces. All you have to do, 7 divided by 6. Then you have an answer 1.6. Okay, 1.16. Then it should add up to 666 all the way. But you're supposed to just round up into 2 decimal places. So you just write up to 3 decimal places, point the arrow down, and check 66 is nearer to 70. Alright, not 60. So this part is supposed to be 70. Okay, and it happens to be 0. Your answer could be 1.17, which is this over here. 2 decimal places. Alright, if they're asking you for 3 decimal places, then it should be, okay, it should be 1.7. Okay, 3 decimal places, 70. Next, 15, last one. The area of the square is 100 cm square. It means the space occupied inside here is 100 centimeters square. Right, and you know that the square, we have equal side that times together gives you 100. Obviously, the equal sides in your times table is 10 times 10. Alright, now this you must have a knowledge. Just imagine in the square you can have 4 times 4 because the sides are the same. Or in a square you can have 3 times 3 and so on. Okay, in your times table, 2 digits, identical digits times together, right? And straight away you get the area of the square. The sides, same sides times together. So in this case, what gives you? What 2 same sides gives you 100 centimeters square, right? Obviously it's 10. Now, many people or many pupils would just give the answer as 10, and this is wrong. Why? Because they did not read these. We are not asking you to find one side of a square. We're asking you to find the perimeter. So once you have one side of the square, perimeter is one side of the square is 10. There are 4 equal sides. You times, and answer is 40.